Hi y'all, Renee here. Look what arrived in the mail. The paper pumpkin for October 2024. I'm very excited about this one. I did buy the dies that go with this one, November's and December's. So I'm really excited to use those dies. It comes with a stamping spot, shaded spruce. It comes with this stamp set, which has a fern and some dots, a cardinal, little dots of some sort, and then some sentiments. One says, joyful thoughts to you this season. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I love it when Merry Christmas is two pieces. I usually, if it's one whole piece, I end up cutting it because I always want to put it in a different arrangement. So I like that they did this. Plus, I like that it's two different sentiment, or two different, what am I trying to say? Fonts. There you go. Two different sizes. I love that. Looks like we get some tear tape. And then let's get to the goodies. And oops, I tore my paper, so we're just going to throw it away. I usually try to keep it and use it for something, but oh well. So we'll put the box to the side, and let's open this guy. Of course, I didn't grab anything ahead of time to open it, so excuse my arm reach. I'm really loving these paper pumpkin kits. I am making so many cards. It's kind of reinvigorated my crafty mojo, I guess is what I should say. I've been having, since Close to My Heart shut down, have really struggling with getting my mojo back. So let's see what we got here. Looks like we have some pieces of ribbon. Looks like real red. Oh, a big sheet of regular size dimensionals, not the mini ones, so that's cool. And let's see, we've got, it looks like all of the envelopes are exactly the same. There's nothing inside, so I probably will not be taking these apart, but never say never. It does have a really cool, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, a really cool metallic feature to it. Real pretty, so we'll see that. Looks like we have some die cuts. Love this. We have 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I can't count. 4, 5, maybe 6. No, it looks like 5. They're pretty thick though. 5 sheets of these really fun die cuts. Ooh, let's look at the card bases. Oh, these are real pretty. I will definitely. Oh, they're trifold. Oh, I see 3 cards. 3 different cards. Cut it there, cut it there. Oh, and this pops out. I wonder if we'll have to see what the design is. So there should be 3 of those. Oh no, there's more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of those. Oh, and it looks like we've got some sentiment spots. Looks like 12 of those. And these have that same metallic, again, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, the same metallic accent that are on the envelopes. Then 5 of these, and oops, I opened that one already. Oh, that is beautiful, and it's all metallic. I sure hope the camera's picking that up. And then this green, and then a punch out. So let's see how they designed the cards. This is the stamp set, so you get a little paper so you can put that with your stamp set. I still haven't figured out my organization for these stamp sets, although I'm kind of leaning toward using a binder of some sort with page protectors to slip each thing in. I'll have to see what I have in my stash, because I don't really want to spend more money for that. I'd rather buy, new product. But we'll see what I have. So that's the stamp set. So let's see what the cards look like. Oh, those are pretty. Okay. Yikes. Well, I'm definitely going to make one of each exactly as it's designed, just to see how it turns out. It looks like this kit makes 10 cards total if you do it exactly as the instructions say, and they are so awful pretty. Oh, I'm not sure. I may not do anything with this as an alternate because this is so pretty. So here are all of the instructions that you need. And let's see, this is the die set that I was talking about. You've got a QR code to help you with this add-on and a QR code to help you put it all together. The coordinating colors: basic black, blueberry bushel, coastal cabana, daffodil delight, garden green, granny apple green, gray granite, night and navy, pumpkin pie, real red, and shaded spruce. So this looks like a lot of fun. I can't wait to get started on this one. I do have another Christmas card video that I'm working on for you right now. So you'll probably see that one next. And then hopefully I can get into messing with this paper pumpkin and seeing what I can make. So, wow, this is really fun. I love these kits so much. So much. So with that, I will let you go. I hope you like the video. If you got this kit, leave me a comment down below. Do you usually do alternates? Do you like it when people do alternates? Or do you like it better? Are you a purist? Do you like it how it's designed? What would you like to see? Because I'm really torn with this one because it's so pretty the way it's made. But I really like seeing how many cards I can get out of one kit. I'm really, okay, we'll say frugal that way. I think members of my family would call it a different word, but we're not going to go down that road. So with that, I'm talking too much. Oh, by the way, I made it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone who's subscribed. I am so excited to meet this goal that I have had. Gosh, I've probably really been thinking about this goal like the last 4 years. Not that I'm going to get monetized because I am so far away from what they require for monetization. It was really just a little goal for myself. I love making videos just for the joy of making videos and sharing things with you all. So again, I'm sorry you probably had to watch ads on this video. Believe me, I can't make that stop. I wish I could because there it is. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.